Hello my hairstyles lovers, how are ya? In case you are new, I'm Zina and I'm a hair artist, and today I'll show you plus 4 low messy buns that you can recreate in just seconds. These messy buns I just swear by because these are so easy. Guys, in case you didn't watch my previous low messy buns, make sure to check out the I button, and also I leave them in the info bar because I have a lot of them. But now I'm so excited and let's get started.
So for the first one, we're gonna need 2 hair elastics that matches your hair color or clear ones. We'll gather first our hair into a low ponytail, tie it, and then we want to wrap our hair around this clear elastic and we want to tie it with our second elastic, like that. Now you want to fan it out a bit, make an opening through this kind of ponytail, and then we want to bring our bun through it. We want to loosen everything like I'm showing, so it looks nice and kind of messy, like that. If you have any hair sticking out, make sure to bring it through the elastic again and you're done. Easy, right? So the next time we want to gather again our hair like in a low mid ponytail and we want to tie it. But when tying our second time with our elastic, we want to twist our hair with our elastic and kind of grabbing it. You want to tie everything together. Then you want to pull it to make it full and voluminous, and then if you have hair sticking out, make sure to bring them through the elastic like I'm showing. Use some bobby pins to fix your bun in place and hide your elastic, and yes, you're done. So quick and so beautiful, right? For the third one, we want to gather our hair again into a low ponytail and then kind of making a loop, we want to tie the ends. So now you want to fold your bun like I'm showing, and if your ends are longer, you want to wrap them around your fingers before pinning in place at the base of our elastic. Make sure to crisscross your bobby pins, this way it will be secure. If you have hair sticking out, make sure to hide them into our bun, fan it out our bun and pin it from the side, and your hairstyle is ready. For the last hairstyle, make sure to divide all the hair into 3 equal sections. Grab your first section and twist your hair away from your face, like I'm showing, creating this roll, and then you want to fold it and tie our folded roll ponytail, like I'm showing. Then you want to repeat on the other side again. You want to twist your hair away from your face and tie it. Now, you want to grab these 2 sections and bring it one through another one, like I'm showing, and then you want to pin it from the side. You want to loosen it, pin it in the middle of course, and also use as many bobby pins as you need if you have layers to fix it well in place, and you're basically done.
Guys, if you enjoyed today's hair tutorial, don't forget to like it. Also, if you're new, subscribe of course, so you'll be notified every time I post a new hair video. Let me know in comments down below also what kind of hair tutorials you'd like to see next. But that's it for today, and you know I love you so much, and see you soon in my next video. Bye!